Hello all, welcome to Rapid Flow Knowledge Center. This is Rajendra Kumar, HCM Principal Consultant from Rapid Flow. Today we are going to discuss a widely used functionality from Global HR module, which is Hire a Candidate functionality. In this session we are going to cover Hire an employee, employee identification information, employee personal information, employee employment information, employee compensation and other information. We can capture employee information in below mentioned way, like we can capture identification information like basic details of an employee and personal details. We can capture person information like home address and phone and email of an employee. We can capture employment information like assignment and job and other information. We can capture compensation information. We can capture compensation information like salary details and compensation and other expense information. So this is going to be look and feel of Fusion application where user can enter username and password. He can work under my client group work area where he has to select hire an employee functionality. Employee can select employee identification information. He can complete employee personal information. He can complete his assignment information and salary and other information. Let us go to the system and see how this functionality will work in Fusion application. I am going to log in into the system. Where user has to enter username and password and has to sign in. This is employee homepage where employee has to work on my client group work area. Click on my client group and click on new person. Under new person you have action of hire an employee. Click on hire an employee to hire a new employee. Enter hire date of an employee and select hire action and hire action reason. Select employee legal employer, who is going to be employee legal employer, and enter employee last name and enter employee first name and select employee title, then select employee gender and select employee date of birth, and you can enter national identification information as well. Go to the next where you can enter employee personal information. Select employee zip code. You can select employee geography. Enter employee lane. Upon selecting zip code, you will be getting state and city of the geography, which is in United States. Enter employee phone details and email details optionally and click on next, where you can enter employment information. This is the page where you can select employee business unit, where employee is going to work, in which business unit employee is going to work. You can select. Select employee business unit and you can select employee position and job. Upon selecting position, job will be auto populated. I have selected cost accountant job and I have selected cost accountant position, and cost accountant job was auto populated. Either you can select even grade of an employee and location is auto populated. You can mention whether employee working full time or part time, and you can go to the next where you have to enter employee compensation and other information. Click on next to enter compensation and other information. Here you can enter employee compensation information, select employee salary basis, and you can enter employee annual salary, enter 25,000 USD per annum. Click on next. Employee will be getting a review page. Whatever the information we have entered so far, you can see the complete information. If any corrections exist, go back and correct your information. Then you can come back to the same page and make sure your information is correct. Then click on submit. Click on yes. You have created employee successfully. This is how in Fusion application you can create a new employee. Thank you so much for watching this video.